Namhlanje umphakathi unqume ukuzibambela umsebenzi wokutakula laba bantu.
Qhange into besilwela sisilwela into impilo zabantwana babantu mabaphume beswelekile benjalo bephila qaba banje babantu kubhethe kwasetrongweni ukuthi ungafela phansi komgodi.
Ubhuti wami uTrap phayana ilento benime ngamandla ndisilwa ngoba ndisithi okwethambo uyaphila kaphili na.
Umphakathi ukhala ngokhudula izinyawo kwamaphoyisa ekutakuleni laba bantu. Uthi namaphoyisa afika engaziphethe izinsiza kusebenza.
Up to so far we have not been interacting well with the law enforcement agencies and they have not yet outrolled their plan in as to what is it that I had to do.
Amaphoyisa aziphikile lezinsolo.
Unfortunately, at some point towards sunset we'll have to stop because we also don't want to take risks. As you heard already that there are bodies, we can't afford to have more bodies while trying to assist people.
Umsebenzi wokutakula abavukuzi uzoqhubeka nakusasa.